This right here is plantain. And then this one is a small sweet yellow banana, which is a twin by the way. And these are groundnuts. My mom is going to be roasting them later on in the video, so I hope you watch the process of roasting groundnuts for snacks.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony. I love.
These are ripe avocados for selling, so they are going to be sold. Some more small sweet yellow bananas here, and I'm enjoying one of the bananas right here. So cheers. Did I give you cheers? But cheers. These small sweet yellow bananas are sweet, very delicious. I just zoomed in. This is a collective of very many community members trying to till the land here. They are planting millet. Of course, this is millet season, so enjoy the video. In my home, we have a tendency of picking, let's say, avocados and passion fruits on the ground. When they mature, they fall. But for mangoes, we pick them before they are too ripe. But for avocados and passion fruit, this is how we do it. But are you realizing how beautiful this place looks? The green, the beautiful nature, the wonderful weather. It's looking beautiful here in the countryside of Africa, Western Uganda. It's very beautiful. I like it. Do you like it too? Yeah, that's a beloved mother of mine. Loving that woman also. Today feels like a realistic day in an African village where you have like lots of activities to do. So apparently right now I'm going to be doing the washing, as you can see, laundry. And I'm not going to take you through the whole process of washing because I've had many videos doing the same, which is laundry. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing right about now. I know when you use washing machine to wash your clothes, you don't know how the process we go through to do a wash. But yeah, this is apparently the first steps before washing the clothes. Smoke, the disadvantages of using firewood to cook. But anyways, here mom is going to be roasting these groundnuts. We use roasted groundnuts for snacks, and you add a little bit of salt and then you give it moderate heat such that they don't get burnt. And yeah, that's it. These are pumpkin seeds, and we're going to be roasting them to, of course, choose them for snacks. These ones are very nutritious and also have a very amazing taste. But anyways, this is it. So you can see these are ready roasted nuts. They look very yummy, so I had to taste. And here I am enjoying Fanta, some beverage on the move. I'm going to be enjoying my Fanta and some great, sweet, yummy cake. Is it a queen cake, a cupcake, or whatever? Of course, enjoying some roasted nuts. As you can see, they have that sweet taste mixed with, of course, being mixed with salt, they taste, now what's the word? They taste better with salt when they are roasted, and we love having them for snacks. But anyways, this is the cupcake, queen cake, that I'm going to be enjoying just now with my Fanta soda. And it's been a while since I last enjoyed a cupcake, queen cake, whatever. Yummy, yummy, sweet, sweet. I really enjoy sweet things at times. Not every now and then, but once in a while. So I'm enjoying the cupcake, the queen cake, or whatever that is, and my Fanta. Actually, Fanta is my best soda, I guess. Yeah, it's my best soda, especially when I'm taking like cakes or buns, stuff like that. I prefer Fanta soda. Do you know what this is called? This is a radio, an FM radio, what we use for entertainment at home. Still enjoying some roasted groundnuts. They are really the best snacks, especially in the countryside, even in the city. They taste better with salt, and as you can see, now they are ready, very ready, and tasting delicious. Pa-la-la. Oops, forgive my manners, but these are ready roasted pumpkin seeds, and they're also very nutritious when they are roasted, of course, and I'm enjoying them. All these passion fruits were picked right on the ground. They matured, ripened. Is it ripen? They ripen and then fall by themselves. So of course right now I'm going to be making one of the most beautiful fresh passion fruit juice. And I have to first remove those small handles. As you can see, I'm removing these small handles because when I'm cutting them, I don't want them to be on the fruit, if you know what I'm saying. And my mom told me one thing: anytime you're going to make juice, make sure you use boiled water. In Africa we boil water, so this is boiled water. I'm going to be washing these passion fruits because I'm going to be cutting them. We don't want, like, you wash them in like unboiled water and then you make juice and then everything is mixed up. So everything for us at home, we use boiled water. You wash with boiled water, and when you're adding in the juice, you also add boiled water, such that you don't give an excuse for any germ, and which can lead to typhoid and stuff like that. So enjoy me making some fruit. This is fresh juice. Oh my god, I really enjoyed this. So as you can see, this fruit is very ripe and ready. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of, of picking them. Picking them when they are fully mature and ripe right on the ground. You see? Oh, succulent, yummy, yummy, very fresh from the garden. Wait, are you seeing that juice that is got from the sieve and is, going right into the jug? Mmm. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. By far, just looking at these seeds, you can tell that it is good to wait for fruits to really mature and be ripe. As you can see, all this juice that is got from these fruits, it is very nice. It always tastes better when it's ripe than when it's half ripe.
Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime and never let go till we be far wherever you are. I believe that the heart does go Love was when I loved you. One true time I hold you in my life will always be far wherever you are. I believe that the heart does go
Ah, gonja nyingusiteka shazinga hii. Eh, wandiga motyo.